This tool is the first free AI video generator that can automatically add sound effects to the video you produce. Its quality is as good as Kling Aİ, and you can even download it for free and run it on your computer without any limits. This tool made by Alibaba is called Wan 2.1, and in this video I will go through its capabilities and compare it to the leading video generator Kling Aİ, and also show you where to download it for free or where to use it online if your computer is not powerful enough. First, let's look at these complex examples. Here's a really impressive example of a dog slicing tomatoes, which I've never seen any of the best video generators do correctly. None of them can slice tomatoes that realistically. And then there's another example of a boxing match between two cats, and again, most video generators can't produce a consistent fight scene like this. So Wan is really good at handling complex movements and keeping everything consistent. To create the videos, I will be using Wan 2.1 official website because it is really user-friendly and easy to understand. After logging in with your Google account, you will reach to the home page, and on the bottom left, you will get 50 credits to get started, and you will earn free credits every day just by logging in. These credits reset after 30 days. So every time you log in, the credits will accumulate, and you will get 1,500 free credits per month. Now if we compare this to Kling Aİ, 3,000 credits in Kling Aİ cost $26 per month, but with Wan it only costs you 2 Google accounts to get 3,000 credits. Also with Kling Aİ it costs 20 to 40 credits to create a video, but with Wan it only costs 10 credits to create a video, which I think it is quite a generous free plan. You can also create images with this tool, but we will test its ability to create videos. So let's click on AI videos. Here we have text to video and image to video options. First, let's test its text to video capabilities. I will write a prompt like this: describe a man sitting on a bench in a crowded street eating spaghetti. It is a very complex prompt and contains a lot of movement. Now when you click on this button, it gives you a more professional, more detailed version of your prompt. Below you can choose the aspect ratio of the video, and if you enable this feature, it will automatically add a sound effect to your video. I will try this in a moment, but for now, let's click create and see the result. Here you can see how long it will take to create the video, and 3 minutes is really ideal in my opinion. Now it has created the video, and the quality is really great. It also understood the prompt very well. The guy is sitting on a bench eating spaghetti, and if you look at these details in the background, the people and cars are moving so smoothly, as if they were real. This level of detail in realism is a huge improvement. Now let's test the image to video feature. I will use the miniature construction workers image that has been going viral on TikTok lately. This time I will also enable the sound effect feature. I will type something like mini workers working on a cake. Then again I will click on this button for an improved prompt. I really like this feature. Now I don't have to go to ChatGPT and ask for a good prompt anymore. Now let's click the create button and see the result. Again, great result. The sound effect is also very compatible, especially in this video. Don't forget that you can also ask for a specific sound effect in the prompt. Now comparing it with Kling Aİ, which is known as the best video generator, Wan 2.1 really surprised me. In some videos, Wan 2.1 gave better results than Kling Aİ. For example, here I wanted a young and beautiful woman to come out of the water. Both did a great job, but you can see the difference. In Kling Aİ, the woman does not really come out of the water, she just floats in the water. Wan understood the prompt more accurately and gave a better result. Now, I wanted to test how these tools handle generating human emotions. And again, both gave pretty impressive results. It's really hard to say which one is better here. Let's test different full body movements here. For example, in my prompt I typed, a cat runs along a path and wipes sweat from its forehead. Both tools understood the prompt, but in Kling Aİ, the movements are in slow motion, while in Wan, it's faster. Of course, we can fix this by giving it the correct prompt. And this video of the samurai? Honestly, they are both really great. Not much to say. They both did a great job. Now, controlling camera movement is really important, and we all know that Kling Aİ is pretty good at that. But Wan does a great job too, if your prompt is good enough. To run this tool for free on your computer, you need to have at least an 8 GB GPU. If your system is suitable, you can download and use it from this website. But if you do not have enough hardware, I can say that the best option to use Wan 2.1 online is its official website. Apart from that, you can also use QuenChat. You can also use QuenChat's different features such as web search, code generation, and creating images. To create a video with Quen, what you need to do is quite simple. Select the video model, write your prompt in the text box, select the aspect ratio, and press the Create button. Moreover, it produces very high-quality videos. But to be honest, it usually cannot create videos due to high demand, so I do not recommend it very much. If you want to create videos more comfortably without interruption and are willing to pay, Krea AI is one of the best options. In Krea AI, you can use not only Wan 2.1, but also all the best video generators out there. It is also very easy to use. Select the model, write your prompt, select the video ratio, and press the Create button. And of course, that will cost you $35 a month. You can decide which method suits you best and choose according to your needs. I will share all the links to all these websites in the description of the video. You can check them from there. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching. Take care until next time.